Hey guys, when I went to reassemble my door card and I tried to open it from the front the first time, this thing, the cable just popped out and I couldn't remember how to put it back in. So I think I remember now. So I just want to go ahead and show you. So here it is. I have it clipped in here the correct way. The little collar goes in that little slot. But I think what I was doing is putting the head of it there, the L shape, into the little black swivelly part instead of the correct hole it's supposed to go in. So I was trying to fit the L-shaped thing into this piece, but what's supposed to happen, because it's kind of hard in that direction, there is a hole right here where this arrow is, where it actually is supposed to pop into, and the neck of it just sits in at that part. So I'm trying to figure out the best way to turn it without putting more stress on it, because naturally it wants to face straight up. Let me fight with this thing for a bit. All right, so it's supposed to go in that hole, and then this piece rotates up and clips onto it. There we go, to try to hold it in place. Now, when I pull the handle, that's the action you're gonna get, and now it should not pop out.